Morning, Steve Freed with the morning grain comments. Markets are a little bit higher overnight. Markets are oversold. Yesterday, the funds were net sellers of about 4,000 beans, 6,000 meal, 1,000 corn, and 5,000 wheat. Since April 18th, July soybeans have dropped from $15 to a low of $13.23, meal $4.68 to $4.12, corn $6.47 to $5.47. From middle of May, Kansas City wheat's dropped from $9.18 to $8.45. The Argentina exchange lowered their soybean crop to 21 million tons from 22.5. USDA is at 27. They kept their corn crop at 36 million tons. 6% of the beans are harvested, while 25% of the corn is harvested. Avi raised Brazil meal exports 21.4. They raised their crop to 155 to 153.6, and raised soybean exports 95.7 from 93.7. International Grain Council estimated 2023-24 corn crop to a near record 1.2 billion metric tons, up 9 million tons, 3 million ton increase in Brazil to 130, and a 3 million ton increase to China at 279. We did note yesterday export sales disappointing in wheat and corn. Probably the cancellations of China was the reason that corn market was lower. Soybean sales also on the low side. New crop wheat was the okay number at 337. Soybean meal, 202,000 metric tons was a good number, but not good enough to support yesterday the bean market. Southwest Plains, especially Oklahoma and Texas, is going to see more rain, while the Midwest is dry, and so is Australia. We have a few brokers in the Midwest that's starting to complain a little bit about the topsoil dryness. Our weather guys thinks that for June, we might see a little bit net drying in Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. Kansas Wheat Tour came up with a yield of 30, crop of 178, lowest since 1963. USDA's yield is 29. The 5-year average for a Kansas wheat crop is 45 bushels per acre. There is talk that Polish wheat might be able to be imported into the East Coast. Even though the corridor is open, 62 vessels have yet to be inspected, and the inspections is done real slowly. There is some concern about some heat building in the spring wheat areas of Russia and Kazakhstan. And we also note that the president of Ukraine is going to Japan to visit with the G7 about support against the war against Russia.